Hi guys, this is part of our resource videos. I am creating a series of videos on how to use our classroom resources so that you can get step-by-step instructions on logging in. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to me. Let's get started. eSpark is a learning platform that you can get on a phone, on an iPad, or a computer, and it allows me to see what your child is struggling with and working on. Let's take a look. It read, how do you feel right now to me, and all I need to do is click on it to figure out what it says. Oh, I'm not sure what that says.
Excited.
It will read it out loud to me again. Excited. I'm feeling excited. And at the beginning of every lesson, it checks in with how you're doing, and it allows me to see that as well. I'm going to start with math. So you choose math or reading, and then it reads it out loud to you.
I'm excited to learn about writing numbers with you.
And then all your student has to do is click
Howdy.
arrow.
Let's see what you know about writing numbers.
Let's see what you know about writing numbers.
Try to get all 5 questions right.
So this is a placement exam. And the great thing is it gives you a placement test covering a few different topics that are kindergarten level, and then starts you in the learning activities right at your level. It does this for both reading and math, and I really love it.
There.
So I would then count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The great thing is,
how many arrows are there?
all they have to do is select that. You can read the answers
12,
aloud. 12.
11, 10, 12.
A simple tutorial, and your students should be able to go ahead and use this independently.
How many arrows are there? 14.
And then keep going.
How many happy faces are there?
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
How many happy faces are there?
And so I get an alert when they're struggling with something, so that I can provide extra resources to help them practice, and it'll also stay on that topic, and it won't move on
4.
until they've become proficient or master that skill.
How many arrows are there? 10.
And it gives you a little bell when you get something correct, so it's immediate feedback, and I really like that.
It looks like you already know this. Stay here or skip ahead to the next quest.
So they can choose to stay or skip, right? So it's a placement test. I don't need to keep on doing that same thing that I've already mastered, okay? I'm going to exit, and we'll go look at the reading.
Hi, friend. What's going on? I'm excited to learn about rhyming words with you.
And so then it'll give a little placement test for each topic.
Let's see what you know.
And then if they don't understand what the question was,
what is an animal that rhymes with wig?
re-listen to the question.
Listen to the word dig.
And so
Which word does not rhyme?
it played a word for me, listened to the word, and it gave me a word, which one does not rhyme. And the word was dig, so pig, big, hay. Okay, so I'm going to exit out of this.
Listen.
Okay, you simply go to eSparklearning.com and you log in as a student using your learning name. Okay, it's as simple as that. It gives me a report of what each student is working on and tracks it for me. It's such a wonderful tool. If you use nothing else for math, eSpark and math games, because tracking their learning so I'm able to provide them with resources they need is so important. Okay, thank you guys. Bye.